Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system option. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic date, time and time zone. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers right here. And now we can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar. Just mark it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it in this clock and it will be immediately applied. The time zone, simply tap on this option, tap on the region, and here you can choose something from the list, just tap on it and it will be immediately applied. As you can see right here, of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format. We can either use local default, which will be, I would say, automatic, but we can turn off this option and manually decide whether we want to use 24-hour format, and then this switcher should be active, and 12-hour format, so just turn off. And just by tapping on the switcher, and of course it will be immediately applied. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time in this device. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by using all of those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.